Anhui Sealong Biobased Industrial Technology Company Limited is wholly owned by Anhui Sealong Biotechnology Company Limited. Our company is established in November 2014 and located in Mohe Industrial Park, Bangbu City, Anhui Province. The company is focused on the development, production, sales, and technical output of bio-based polymer materials, upholding the concept of protecting the environment, creating green values, and the core value of building both upstream and downstream alliances, cooperation and win-win situations, and social return. Company core values and action guide is continuous technological innovation, upgrade quality, taste, protect the environment, create green value. We are a manufacturer and supplier of 100% biodegradable and compostable resin and products, including film, shopping bags, takeaway bags, garbage bags, bin liners, food waste bags, fruit and vegetable bags, tea and coffee bags, pet waste bags. We have 3 types of resin to produce different type of products. Our resin made from renewable material that is certified to meet the following most strict standards in the world: EN 13432 to ensure its compostability. Sealong provides full solution ranges from artwork designing, resin and products development, and manufacturing, so that you can focus the most important things in your business. You can choose from our standardized products available for your immediate use. You can also work with us to create a product of your dream with every detail designed to your wish.